Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in and I hope you guys are good. Today I'm sharing this delicious oven recipe with you guys. And I'm going to be using chicken thighs for this recipe. My chicken I already washed and cleaned. So I'm going to be spicing and seasoning my chicken. So I use each spices and seasonings just a teaspoon, except the onions powder I use 2 teaspoons. So 1 tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a little bit of grounded chili. Mix it together and I'm going to rub it on my chicken, massage it really good on my chicken. Cover the chicken, put in my fridge, let it marinate for 1 hour. And I'm using basmati rice, and that's my tomato-based stew. I uploaded this stew 2 days ago, so if you want to see, you can go and check it out. And that's my chicken. Now I'm going to start frying my chicken. Just add about a teaspoon of oil to my pot. Heat it up, add butter. Lay my chicken in it. The pot is too small. Just change the pan because I want to do everything at once. First, the skin. Fry the skin side first. Then flip it, cover and let it fry. Then I flip it again. Use my fork to pierce some holes on it so that it can cook really good. See the plate, the bowl? I just rinsed the marinade, pour it in, losing that yumminess. The yummy. Use the water to loosen it. Cover it and let it cook. And as that is busy, add water to my rice. I'm going to be parboiling it before washing. So my rice parboiled already and I washed it. Just add my stew base. See, it's very handy to have stew base in your freezer. See, makes my cooking easy. My chicken is ready. See the yumminess? I just pour it in my rice. Put it together, lay the chicken on top, cover it with aluminum foil paper. Still pour the remaining sauce on top. No wasting, eh? Then I'm gonna put it in my oven to cook till the rice is dry. And as that is busy, I'm going to be frying my vegetable. I'm using broccoli, half a bell pepper, and 1 onion. Somebody asked me for the recipe, so I did not video it when I make it before. There was a photo I posted. So now I'm just going to do it for you to see the video. See, I just sliced the vegetable and I'm using 1 habanero as well. Add about a teaspoon of oil to my pan. Fry the onions, the habanero, and the broccoli. Fry it together for 2 minutes. Then add my red bell pepper. So easy, just fry it another 3 minutes. My broccoli is ready. Just a pinch of salt. That is it. My rice is ready. Brought it out of the oven. See? My vegetable is ready as well. Now is eating time. See? That is yummy. Oh. This was sweet. Oh, this rice came out so delicious. The chicken is super yummy. And I hope you guys are going to try this recipe. It's very delicious. My family really loved it. Don't forget to share, like, and I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing, commenting. I appreciate. Thank you. See you in my next one. This one's sweet. Oh. Bye.